Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have this 1990's Crompton Greaves Dec air ceiling fan. Here you can see the label, Dec air 48 inches, 85 watts. The label is in little bad shape, so I will fix that. So this fan actually, it's a original winding, never rewounded. The previous owner has put the motor from one body to other. You can also see the capacitor was badly put, and this happened. The canopy is saying the Crompton Greaves Limited, but so this down rod and everything is from a new fans, because these fans, they never had such a 11-inch down rod. They had 9-inch. So now it's working, but it has some bearing noise and it needs cleanup. You can see the motor scratches are there. I can restore this later on. Now let's tear it down and see inside the coil. So guys, I've opened the deck here. This is the 16 pole motor, thin stator. I don't know why they had to make it that thin. This is the original bearings. We'll add some lubrication and let's close it back. I've assembled it back. I'm not installing the down rod because I'll put it in place of the high speed and test it out. I did clean the motor a little bit. The label is actually tearing apart, so I don't know what to do about that. And the deck airs, back in the day, they used to come with a golden down rod, the same color as the shaft. So this down rod and canopies are from a different fan. This would have the big canopies or the cone canopies, like that with the hand logo. Sadly, I like that down rod, so awesome. So I will paint this golden. Let's clean the blade and install it. Guys, before we fix the blades, let's do test run. 5 speed. It works properly. Let's fix the blades. As you know me, anytime I get a old 4-blade fan, I like to do 2-blade test. Let's switch it on. The airflow is actually quite awesome in 2 blades itself. I can't wait to see how 4 blades would do. So guys, now let's switch it on. Slow start. Awesome guys, the airflow is unbelievable, and the speed is nominal. It's almost same like my new deck airs, but a little bit slower, of course, a few RPM. So guys, I can literally feel the airflow. That's why I love these fans back in childhood. I wanted one of these, but we ended up getting Havels. But now I got the old one and the new one. Let's switch it off. So guys, it has awesome bearings. No problem. I've just lubricated. Good enough. This is unbelievable. Imagine if this was 56-inch, it would have been even awesome. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video when we do the restoration. That should be a few months later.